angels, it's Stacey, and I haven't been on my pole for more than 5 months. I can't believe I'm doing it to myself. What has lockdown done? I don't know. But I went into the studio not long ago for the first time in like 5 months as well. I'll insert some clips here now, and it actually didn't go as bad as I thought it would. I thought I wouldn't be able to even do anything. But I managed to do some stuff, but it was a struggle. This is something you just can't take breaks from because you'll just kind of have to start all over again. So yeah, I'm just going to get back into it. And I thought I would take you along with me and show you like a little session that I would do at home. Oh, did I just fly? Did you see that? So now I've done a little warm up. So if you see my other video, which is what to know before you start pole dance, which is doing really well at the moment, so thank you so much if you've supported that video. I talked about strengthening and skin conditioning and everything, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Taking some grip, which is like chalk, so it helps you to stay on the pole more, and I'm going to show you quickly what you do for like the strengthening. So you'll do this one and tuck your knees in like that, and then you'll do the same with this hang instead. And also when you're doing this, you've got to do it on both sides, by the way. It's easier to put your hip on the pole as well, just so you've got extra support. Now, I have a lot of videos on me doing pole, and I haven't looked at them in a while, so I feel like I want to look at them and try to recreate them, because how it's going at the moment, I feel like I can't do anything. I'm exhausted already and I've just started. So I just want to look at the video and then I'm going to try and recreate it. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm going to the very start, and this is the first video, if it ever loads. Okay, so I'm doing like a sit, spin, and putting my elbows onto the pole, which isn't as easy as it looks, guys. It's hard to get that strength to get your arms round. Okay, let's go, let's do it. If you didn't know already, the pole actually moves. It's not you moving around the pole. It has 2 settings. So this is like still mode, it won't move. And then if you just untighten these at the bottom of your pole. This is an X pole, by the way, if you're interested. Wait. What? What did I do? It looks so easy. Oh my god. Oh, I really... Okay. This video is basically just making a fool out of myself. Oh my god, guys. You need to understand, when you're a beginner, you've got to have patience. Here's the next one. Inside arm hang. Okay, I think I'll be able to get this one a lot easier. Sorry. Okay, let's try it. Oh, yeah. I've still got it. Okay, this one confuses me. This is a picture. I'm not too sure what this one's called, but it just confused me every time I go to do it. I'm like, hang on, how did I do that? I'm very confused. This is probably gonna make it difficult, but we're here now, we're doing it. Okay, so I'm coming around this way. Yeah, this side is so much easier. Next video. Oh, I love these little hook. Yeah, I love this one. It just looks so elegant. Hold it, hold it. Right. Okay, so if you didn't already know, That is called a hook, an inside, a front hook and a back hook. So a front hook is you're hooking your leg on and you're going forward, and then a back hook is going backwards, which is very scary, you know. Okay. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, I always slip at the last minute. Okay, I've got the mats out for this video. Scary. We're going upside down. It's really difficult to get upside down, by the way. So that's a straddle. Okay guys, these are my enemy. I hate straddles. It's the amount of core strength you need to get into a straddle is absolutely mad. Oh, I hate it. So let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. And when you start doing that for the first time and you don't have enough strength, you'll feel like a nasty feeling in like the sides of your back. It hurts, but it doesn't hurt that much, but it's not very nice. Oh, we're going up again. Oh. Okay, this is a crucifix. I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm in a circus film. Don't know why. Oh my god. This one I struggle with the most. Like this arm hold. It is so annoying. Let me show you. So with this arm hang, you're putting one arm up here and then rotating the other one like that, and your whole body weight is pressing on this arm at the bottom, and it's not the one really. Oh, whoa. I've got a minute. Let me try this side. Oh my god, I've lost it. I've lost it. Remember this day I was struggling, I was not enjoying this session at all. I just couldn't do anything. So I'm trying to climb up the pole, not happening.
Squeeze that knee to help you, arm behind the back.
Yeah, I was struggling this day. Wasn't the one for me, so let's try it. And do a little climb. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh. Oh. Whoa, I'm dizzy. Why am I doing this video?
Look off the shoulder.
This one's pretty. I like this one. A chair into backwards chair. I just love that little swizzle. Why am I so far away? I love that little swizzle I do. It's really cute. Okay. Does that look alright? Now, next one. I remember this tortured me for the longest time. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Oh, that's so pretty though. Okay, I don't know what this one's called, not gonna lie. But you just have to go for it, and it's really scary to try. But it's so fun when you can do it. It's one of those you're just gonna go for it, because if you don't go for it, it's not gonna work. I'm scared. Oh, it's almost there. Almost there. Nope. It's not happening. Nah. What? Oh, so close, so close. I can do it. Come on. Yes! Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is... Okay, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Moving on. Okay, I'm not sure what this one's called. I can't remember. It's one of my favourite moves to do just because it's quite simple. What I'm going to try and do is go from that move into a Superman. And if you don't know what a Superman is, I'll show you. Well, I'll try to show you. Okay. No, you can't even see me. Okay. Oh my god, I hit my light. This is a really bad idea. I don't want to do it. Right, I'm gonna have to leave it there because you're gonna know when to stop, because if you don't stop you're gonna hurt yourself. But if you want to see all the harder tricks that I'm able to do or try to do, then leave a comment down below. So I can attempt them for you, and if you have like names of any tricks that you haven't seen me do before, let me know down in the comments and I'll search them and I'll do them for you, because I'm so interested in learning new tricks. I think it's so cool. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. By the way, I got this set from Pole Junkie, I'm pretty sure. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.